Working on these homesteads across America, I've worked with every single company you could imagine when it comes to solar. But my experience reaching out to Fortress Power and how they immediately responded to help people that were in need, it got my attention. I personally needed an upgrade on this homestead. Today, we're installing the system that I drooled over. So this is a very big day, a life-changing day, which I normally say for other people on other homesteads. But I'm saying it today here, a life-changing day on this homestead because of Fortress Power.
Your refrigerator's running on propane?
Yeah, and I've been worried about it because it does have a exhaust right here.
Okay. Now, does it have an outlet that we can plug it into?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do that too, for sure.
Wow,
so you're
what is that,
regularly refilling these tanks.
Oh yeah, it's embarrassing how much money this homestead takes to run,
Yeah.
to feed the animals,
Okay.
and just to maintain this house.
Okay.
And try to have, you know, some semblance of normalcy.
Yeah.
It's kind of almost at a critical point financially. It's just not practical the way we're
Right.
homesteading. We're supposed to be experts, but it kind of snuck up on us, you know?
Everything has to be just operating at its peak efficiency in order for you to get the most out of that system. Once one component starts to go bad or wear down, everything else quickly follows after that. What we've installed here is our eBoost battery, it's 16 kilowatt hours of storage, and our NV8K inverter. And the reason why we chose this is not only because the fact that this system has a ton of value, it's a great bang for its buck, but the inverter and the battery itself is particularly suited for a harsh environment. It's going to all be one unit. It's going to look sleek, but it's also going to work great.
Well, it's amazing because how much space this is taking up. This is a small log cabin out in the middle of nowhere where every square inch means something, right?
So the great thing about this Fortress Power product is the mounting brackets it comes with.
Yep.
They're adjustable L brackets, so you gotta put your feet on for the floor to make a level space. But once you get the L brackets on there, hooking into this log shouldn't be an issue. I'm gonna need some muscle soon here.
Okay. Did you hear that? He's going to need some muscle.
I got you covered, Patrick.
Let's go. Quick, follow me.
The lithium iron phosphate batteries that we manufacture have been around for a while. They do have a strong reputation in the industry. They are safer. They have a much longer life cycle than previous technologies. They also have the ability to be used more efficiently than the older technology. Let's try it.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy. Let there be light.
All right.
that's just one. What else can we add?
Let's turn something else on, quick.
Okay, let's do it. And I'm going to use this app to tell this dongle to talk to your router. And there'll be some arrows indicating where the power flow is going and coming from. So you might see arrows coming from the solar panels going into the
We
inverter.
can't take our eyes off the screen.
I'm excited about it myself. Yeah.
It's amazing, and I mean, they've made it, you know, child friendly. It doesn't take much to excite country folk. You did it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Marty. I'm so glad we could help. I'm so glad this system's working for y'all.